Bitcoin is sitting right on that support level, around about 95k. Now, we've just also broken a more local level of resistance. So that's bullish, but it's still very much a waiting game. In this video, I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you the support level I'm talking about, which I'm keeping a close eye on, and also that small local level of resistance that's been broken and the levels that I'm watching next. Just quickly, I'm Marvinder. I've been in Bitcoin since 2015 and I like to focus just on the charts. So hit that like button on the way in, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into it. Okay, so this is the level that I keep going on about. I've been talking about this for a while, and as long as we stay above this level, then that's good. And so what we've seen is price action has, like I said yesterday, you can keep drawing lines, resistance lines, until you drive yourself crazy. But we're doing good. The dangerous thing would have been if we broke this level and we fell underneath here, then it would probably mean a bit more waiting. But because we've broken through that, I'm pretty confident of a pump from here. Might take a few days still. No one knows for sure. I like to always stress that no one knows what's going to happen. This is all just educated guesses, I like to say. But when you zoom out, it's difficult to be bearish right now. It is, especially with the rest of the economy. I mean, that's a decent looking chart. Yeah, we have broken this support level over here, and like I said in my live stream last week, we probably will rebound from here, and that's the reality. And I could be wrong. We could just smash straight through like we did over here. I was expecting price to rebound from here and continue falling, but it didn't. And you don't get them all right. But you're right when it counts. That's the main thing. And so, yeah, I do really see, something like this happening. Price pumps up, hits this level, and then comes down. Because the rest of the economy is looking good, guys. Even all the other charts. Ethereum's broken resistance after resistance, and this is really good. This is primed for a pump to at least this level here. Bitcoin dominance, I've kind of given up on this now because it just hasn't done what I wanted to do, and it will fall. It will. It just needs more time. That's all. And I'm pretty confident within the next few months we're going to have like a good run up on everything. Alts, Bitcoin, everything will do well. I'm pretty confident. And if you want guarantees, and there's no guarantees, something like BNB, Binance coin, is very likely to continue to do well because it's backed by Binance, one of the biggest companies in the game, and they're not going to let their own coin fall, even if they just keep pumping up themselves. But yeah, like USDT, as long as this keeps going up, then the price is going to keep going up. I remember we had the economic shutdown. Price is flatlining here. I said, look, it's only ever going to go up. Like once that economic shutdown, the US government shutdown ends, then it's just going to continue to go up, and it has. And so yeah, there's no real reason to be bearish right now. There really isn't. This is what you do when you do trading analysis. You look for evidence to prove yourself right or wrong. And this isn't a bad chart as well. Like, yeah, you could say it's broken this support level. You could even play around with it if you want, but I'm just going to leave it there. So yeah, things are going to continue to pump. I'm pretty sure they will. Let's have a look at USM2. Yeah, when this starts going up, and it will, then it will be game on. So I'm going to leave it there. I'll put these Bitcoin updates out pretty much every day now. So if you do find them useful, please subscribe, share, comment if there's any assets or charts that you want me to look at. As long as it's on TradingView, I'm happy to run through them. And yeah, I guess I'm going to leave it there, and I'll see you in tomorrow's update. Thank you.